APX1 Online pH or ORP Controller Wiring Demonstration. The controller power cord has two wire ends. The neutral wire is connected to the corresponding N terminal. The live wire is connected to the corresponding L terminal. The pH electrode with temperature sensor has four wire ends. There are usually wire markings on the cable. Insert them into the corresponding terminal holes, according to the wire markings. Connect the RS485 USB converter to the RS485A and B terminals, according to the wire markings of the wire head. Turn on the power switch and the screen lights up. The controller can work normally. After the device is connected to the computer USB, right-click My Computer on Desktop. Select Manage. Device Manager. Open port. Check whether the USB serial port COM3 is connected successfully. And remember the port number. Open Modbus Pull software. Select Connection. Connect. In the small pop-up window, select Serial port under Connection. Select USB serial port COM3 under Serial Settings. Select RTU under Mode. Select 8 data bits. 9600 baud. None parity. 1 stop bit. The setting is based on the default parameters of the controller. After the settings are completed, click OK. Select Setup. Read or write definition. In the small pop-up window, the slave ID is written as 1, the same as the controller's default slave address. Function is the function code of the controller register. Please refer to the appendix of the controller manual. The function code of the pH or ORP controller is 04. Select 04 Read Input Registers 3x under Function. Input 0 under Address, parameters corresponding to the register address. Input 6 under Quantity, total number of registers. After the settings are completed, click OK. After selecting all parameter value lists, right-click and select Format. 32-bit float. Little Endian byte swap. Tip: users can manually enter the name of the corresponding value. The last value is the voltage value corresponding to pH value. In this way, the controller Modbus software parameter setting is completed.